Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question on adding fractions. Now we've got to add together 5/12 plus 1/3. The answer needs to get written in the box here, and this will give you 1 mark in the exam. Your key facts are that you need to be able to find a common denominator, preferably the lowest common denominator. Then you need to find some equivalent fractions. Add your numerators. The denominator will stay the same. Remember, the denominator is the number at the bottom and the numerator is the number at the top. And then you need to cancel down your answer. So press pause, see if you can follow through these steps, and then press play when you've got an answer. So get yourself pen and paper, write down your working on how to get the answer, and then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Fantastic. So hopefully you've started by thinking about the common denominator. Now you look at the two numbers, you've got the number 12 and 3, which are the two denominators. Now 12 is the larger number, which means that 12 doesn't fit into 3. So we're going to start with 3. Does 3 fit into 12? Yes, it does. So the lowest common denominator of these two numbers is the number 12. So I want you to imagine you have got 12 sections. Now 5 out of 12 is literally 5 out of 12. So that is 5 of those sections coloured in, and that is that initial fraction, 5 out of 12. Then we're looking at 1/3 we're going to be adding on. Now 1/3, if you look here, I've got 4 along here and 3 down. Now 3 times 4 gives me the 12. So 1/3 of that, I've got 1 section going along, 2 sections going along, 3 sections going along. So 1/3 is one of the sections going along. So one line going across is 1/3 of this shape, splitting it into 3. Now I've coloured in 1, 2, 3, 4 squares, which is the same as 4 out of 12. Now some people will need to draw a diagram to help you work the answer out, but preferably as you get better you won't need to draw the diagram, and you can just do it with the numbers. So if we think, what do I do to 3 to get to 12? We multiply by 4. So 3 times by 4 gave me 12. So that means I need to do the same to the numerator. 1 times by 4 gives me the 4. That's where the 4 over 12 has come from, multiplying both of these numbers in the second fraction by 4 in order to make the denominators the same. So these two denominators are now the same. Now when the denominators are the same, I've got 12 sections in total. 5 of them are in orange, 4 of them are in pink. How many sections are there in total coloured in? If you add 5 plus 4, that gives you 9. So we have got 9 out of 12. Now that will give you 1 mark in the exam for writing 9 over 12. And we have done step 4. But the last step says cancel your answer. Now both of these numbers can be divided by a number to cancel down. And the number that goes into 9 and 12 is 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So 9/12 is the same as 3/4. And if I'd have coloured these squares in differently, I could take this square from here and bring it into this one here, and this square here, bring it in here. You can see I've got 1, 2, 3 lots of 4 coloured in, so 3/4 is coloured in. So that is the answer that needs to get put in the box. So remember, we just divided both these numbers by 3. So 9 divided by 3 was 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4, to give me an answer of 3/4. Give yourself a big tick if you got 3/4. Fantastic work, well done. The mark scheme on this question shows the answer is 9 over 12 for 1m, which is 1 method mark. The better answer is given this cancelled down form of 3/4, which is written over here. Decimals are allowed, so if you wrote 0.75 instead of writing 3/4, but you cannot round your answer. So if you rounded this to 0.8 or just wrote 0.7 because you've just truncated and taken the last digit off, that is not allowed, so you will not get the mark. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.